Think you already know Windows 11 dark mode? Think again. There are hidden dark mode settings Microsoft never show you. And today I will reveal how to unlock them to give your PC a next level premium dark look. Stay till the end because the last trick will make even your task manager go dark. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper, your day tech guide for smarter and faster computing. If you love clean modern window setups, hit the subscribe button and let's jump right into the hidden dark mode secret of Windows 11. Step 1. Enable system wide dark mode. First, let's switch your Windows to the official dark mode. This is my settings page. Click on personalization. Then click colors. And here already this page is into dark mode. We are going to select light mode so you will get the idea about it. Okay, so you simply select dark, so this dark mode will enable. Step 2. Make File Explorer and System Apps full dark. Many users stop here, but Windows keeps some apps in light mode. To fix that, go to Settings, then click on Accessibility, which is available here. Now click on Contrast Theme. Here you can see that contrast theme, and then simply click on this night sky. Okay, so how you can select this? Simply click on it and then select night sky, and boom, this gives you even deeper black and makes your windows pop. Enable hidden dark mode for legacy apps. Now here's the hidden part. Press Window key and then R, type regedit and hit enter. And now you can see that my registry editor is open. You simply click on this high key current users, then click on this drop down arrow button. Now select software, then click on drop down, then select Microsoft. Here you can see that this is Microsoft. Click on it, then find out Windows, scrolling down and find out Windows, then click on this arrow again. Here we are going to make it large. Okay, then find out current version. Here you can see that this is the current version. Now find out theme. Here scrolling down, then find out theme. Here theme, again click on this drop down button, then find out personalize, then again drop down button, and here this is personalize. Now here we are going to create D word, then right click here, then click on new, and then click here D word 32-bit. Here give the name. Here friend, please add the same name which I'm typing here, A apps, then use light, theme. Exactly same name will allowed. Okay, here already this is created here. Okay, you simply click on it and simply allow this 0. Okay, so this is my latest Windows 11, that's why this is already created. If you are older version, you simply create this dword and your all the taskbar and other app will converting into dark mode. Okay, so by this way you can do that. Step 4, darken the task manager. In the latest Windows 11 update, the task manager now support dark mode too. Open task manager, you simply right click on your taskbar and then you will see task manager. Okay, you simply click on it and here you can see this is my task manager. Then click on this settings button which is available over here, and now you can see this is the appearance things which is showing over here. You simply select dark. Okay, so this is light version. When you click here the dark, then this will automatically change. And here use system settings which already done in registry. Okay, so if you change the registry, then that things will automatically in dark mode. So here we select dark mode and this is done. Step 5, dark mode for Microsoft Edge and apps. Don't forget your browser and Microsoft apps. In Edge, first of all we are going to open Edge browser. And here simply click on settings. So we are going to click on this 3 dot icon which is available on the right hand top. Then click settings. And this is my settings page. And now I am going to find out appearance which is available over here. And here friend you can see systems, light and dark. So whenever you click in, if you are older version, then these steps will follow and all things will done. So systems already we have added in registry, that's why this is in dark mode. And when if maybe your PC will showing this browser in light mode, you simply click on this dark mode. Okay, so your browser will also convert it into dark mode. Now your full Windows ecosystem matches perfectly with dark mode. For an even smoother look, try settings a dark wallpaper or enable auto dark mode using the free tool that is called Auto Dark Mode X. So here we are going to open Edge browser and simply search Auto Dark Mode X, and here this is the Git website, and this is the one of the best app where you can easily enable dark mode. Okay, it automatically switches your theme based on time, day or night. So you can also use this application. So that's how you unlock all the hidden dark features in Windows 11. Which dark mode theme do you like the most? Comment me below, and if you follow this helpful, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to hellohelper for more smart Windows and AI tools tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.